Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score weekly settings. Here, as you see, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, we click on AI score. Then here in this window of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page here you will turn off your Wi-Fi. You will turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.